Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will create a gaming thumbnail for the game Hogwarts Legacy. So here I am on my Photoshop screen and I will bring in my first image. I have this image of the Hogwarts school and I will bring another image, which is this. Now convert this layer for smart filters. Go to filter, camera raw filter and increase its exposure a little and contrast, saturation, dehaze it, okay. Now I will create a mask for it. Take the brush, low around 50%, 53%, and take away the colors from this image. Now I will transform this layer, transform it a little. Go to the mask again and remove all the things that are visible from this layer, which we don't want. Increase the size of the brush. Now I will bring in my third image. Transform it and place it wherever I want it. Resize this a little, or I can place it on. Okay, first. Okay, let's create a mask for it first. Go to the brush, increase its size. Flow is fine. With the foreground color black, I will take its edges away. Edit, again transform it and place it. No, it looks fine here only, or maybe here. Okay, we can do, let's flip this image first. Now let's transform it and take it here and transform this also. Okay, let's resize it and remove its edges. Edges of this image are also visible, so let's take them away. With this mask selected, I will take away the closer colors and click here to take away all these, and later I will bring back the paint on the Hogwarts logo to bring it back. Now press X with the foreground color white. Bring back the colors of the logo. Okay, now I want this character to be a little separated from this image. Let's go to object selection tool and select and click on select subject. Oh, okay, it made a pretty good selection. Let's remove this. Press Alt, lasso tool selected, remove the selection. Okay, it is not working. We can do this with quick selection tool. Okay, the selection is fine. With this selection, open blend diff and add outer glow. Click here and increase its opacity a little. Also add a drop shadow. Now add a curves adjustment layer and clip it to the bottom layer and increase its exposure. Now on top of all these layers, add a hue saturation layer, increase the saturation. Again add curves adjustment layer on top of all these layers. And brightness and contrast layer. Okay, we are done with the Hogwarts Legacy thumbnail. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.